heard that you could come here and you could get help academically for your classes. So that's something I was interested in because I didn't do as well as I would have liked in high school. So I wanted to change things for college. She wanted to know what my goals were, like what I would like to see change, and she wanted to know what I had tried already so that we could know where to start, what to do to get my goals completed. For sure, I plan a whole lot more, and I found that I enjoy it. I make lists just about every day during the semester. From this time to this time, I'm gonna do this. And I'm also more forgiving when things don't go as planned. My grades are better than they were freshman year. I don't feel so alone at school. I always feel like there's someone here I can come to get help if I feel like my grades are falling, or if I just need some sort of confirmation that's reassuring me that I am doing my best, and just more ideas on what I can do to make sure that I'm achieving all the goals that I set. I made a friend.